This is an example of fresh Moringa oleifera or malunggay. It is a plant that grows in parts of Africa and Asia. When it's fresh, the leaves are bright green like this and have a slightly bitter taste. They pack with nutrients like vitamins A, C, and E, and minerals such as calcium and iron. Moringa is often called the miracle tree because it is very healthy. It improves our digestion, support our immune system, and even lower your body's sugar. Fresh moringa leaves can be added to your soups like in tinola or can be eaten raw. It is a great plant to boost your health and well-being. Thank you.
Fresh and not fresh Moringa oleifera, dried or wilted, have distinct differences in appearance, texture, flavor, nutritional content. Appearance: fresh Moringa, the leaves are bright green and vibrant with a smooth texture, and the stems are flexible and the leaves are tender. And not fresh, dried or wilted moringa, the leaves turn a dull green and brownish colors. Dried leaves are crispy and brittle, while wilted leaves lose their filmless and many appear texture. Fresh moringa leaves are soft, tender, and easy to chew. Not not fresh moringa, dried leaves become crunchy and crumble easily. Wilted leaves can be soft but lose their crisp texture. Flavor: fresh moringa taste is slightly bitter but mild with a fresh herbal flavor. Not fresh moringa, dried moringa has a more concentrated, stronger, bitter flavor. Wilted leaf may taste a bit slight or less herbal. Nutritional value: fresh moringa rich in vitamin, mineral, and an antioxidant in their natural, most variable form. Not fresh moringa, dried moringa retains most of its nutrients but can lose some vitamins constant especially vitamin C. Due to the drying process, wilted leaf can be lost some of their nutritional potency as well. In summary, fresh moringa is tender, vibrant, and packed with nutrients, while there or wilted moringa. It's more it's more concentrated with a strong flavor but slightly reduced nutritional value.